And the Royal Rumble is underway. There's no telling how this one's going to end.
I could watch these superstars go at it all night, JR. Here comes another superstar. I love it. He's working the fundamentals there.
This is a classic matchup, King. I'm so glad the WWE fans are getting the chance to see it.
I can't believe he countered that one.
He's been watching this match from the start, and now it's his turn to join in.
It's crime time.
Brooklyn, Brooklyn.
What a nasty elbow. And how much force, how much impact was delivered there?
Like that.
Here comes another superstar. Business is about to pick up.
And the Legend Killer is done for. And there's the Facebuster. Primetime's big man Shad is looking to lift a victory right out of the pocket of his opponent.
By the way, have you checked your wallet and watch lately?
Here we go. Another superstar is entering the match. What a reversal.
Now remember, kids, whatever you do, don't try this stuff at home.
Absolutely not. Even these trained professionals wind up pretty badly banged up after a match.
Oh, and King Regal's been eliminated.
Oh my gosh, another one? Is it time already?
There goes your gold standard. And he strikes the opponent with a quick kick.
And it's been reversed. This match is going to continue until someone's completely debilitated. And considering the resiliency of these superstars, that's not going to be easy.
That's for sure. No one in this match is going down without a fight.
And I wouldn't expect any less from them, King. Like them or not, you've got to respect the tenacity of each and every WWE superstar.
Hardcore Holly is out of this one. There's a good reason that's called a backbreaker. It can snap your spine. Here he comes, JR. He can't wait to get involved in this one.
Unbelievable! The Undertaker has been eliminated.
I don't believe it. He's been eliminated.
Here comes another competitor. This is turning into a real slobber knocker.
A vicious stomp.
These superstars are in terrific shape, and that comes as no surprise whatsoever.
We've got someone else entering the match, JR.
Time to play the game!
Ooh, what a vicious backbreaker.
What an incredible suplex. He's putting the knee to his opponent.
Another superstar joined in. The more the merrier, I say. You turn the tables on his opponent with that one. Doesn't look pretty, but just being flashy won't win you the match. Just listen to his body crash into the ground. fancy about that?
A simple move that sets up bigger things.
He's been
Morrison's been taken out.
love to fight.
Ouch! What a slap across the face!
Ray's been eliminated.
A reversal. Can he capitalize on it?
If any superstar shows the slightest hint of weakness, they've lost the match.
That's for sure. No matter how beat up you are.
Oh, man! Kennedy's gone! Here comes another one! How's this gonna affect the match?
Dear Lord, those lariats can do so much damage.
There goes Finley!
Is it time? Yes, we've got another superstar joining the match.
You hear the clock ticking. You are about to stop now.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but Triple H is gone.
You're not going to get him with that one. Looks like it's time to add another superstar to the match. Excellent counter. What ring presence.
Look at that! No fear whatsoever. What an amazing superstar!
And he hits the neck breaker.
Chad's out. We've got a fresh superstar entering the match. That's a huge advantage.
His opponent's down, and now he's sharing a piece of his mind. Look at the fire in his eyes. He's ready to get in this match.
There goes Colombo.
CJR, this is it.
And the Mastodon is out.
He's been chomping at the bit, and now he's getting his chance to enter the match.
MVP's out.
Is that? Yes, that's an elimination.
Time for another superstar to join the match.
There's a fundamental move.
And he made the most of it with that DDT. It's like London's through. It's his turn to enter the match. I hope he knows what he's getting into.
Wow, that Colossus of Festus has been eliminated.
He's been watching this match from the start, and now it's his turn to join in.
Cody's history. Oh, what a painful kick. What a counter.
Another superstar has entered the match.
A vicious stomp. opponent with the knee. What an impressive Russian leg sweep.
Here we go. Another superstar is entering the match.
I may talk a little funny, at least I say what I mean. I'm at home in the country, I'm at home.
Chavo is out.
There he goes. He's out of the match.
Hey, what an impressive combination of moves.
Here he comes, JR. He can't wait to get involved in this one. There's the reversal. He's been waiting the whole match for his chance to join in. Murdoch's out. Well, there's one less superstar in this match now.
Look at the fire in his eyes. He's ready to get in this match.
He's working the fundamentals there. He's throwing his opponent around like a rag doll. Oh, what a slap. That'll leave a mark. He countered that one perfectly.
He's been chomping at the bit, and now he's getting his chance to enter the match.
He's throwing his opponent around like a rag doll.
And The Miz is finished.
It's his turn to enter the match. I hope he knows what he's getting into.
People who don't want to be cool.
There goes Santino. What a fierce kick. And the tough Matt Hardy's out.
Here comes another superstar. I love it.
Oh, and there goes Carlito.
And there's the elimination. The referee has called for the bell. That's it.